Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add custom field inside checkout inside the WooCommerce. So how can you do it? Now step one is just log into your WordPress or login, and once you are at the dashboard, so from the left side you just need to scroll down and go inside the plugins and click on add new plugin. And once you click on add new plugin, so basically you will see the search section. So inside this search section you just need to write down funnel kit or funnel builder. That depends on you. Just need to write on funnel kit or funnel builder, and that will show you the funnel builder plugin which you need to, as you can see, like this is the one, funnel kit funnel builder for WooCommerce checkout. Just click on install now and it will start installing. So once it is installed, you just need to click on activate, and once it is activated, so wait for it until it is completely activated, and now it will automatically reload. So wait for it. So once the plugin is basically activated, so on the left side you will see multiple options. So just scroll down and you will see this option here called funnel kit. Just come inside this and just click on store checkout, and once you click on store checkout, so it will take you to the other page. So wait until it is loaded. So once you see this page, just click on get started, install and activate. So this will basically install the plugin. So wait for it until it automatically does it, otherwise you can just skip it as well. That depends on you. So once you're done, click on store checkout, and it will basically take you to other page. And make sure that you, as you can write, you're using funnel kit Lite. To unlock more features, consider upgrading to pro. So make sure to like buy the pro account as well. That depends on you. So once you're here, as you can see, if you want to do it manually, that is basically pro feature. If you want to use any feature or any template, some of them are pro, some of them are free. Let's say I want to go with this one. Just click on preview, and also click on preview, and after that it will basically load in front of you. So you just need to click on this option. As you can see, like this is basically the page. Just click on import this funnel. Make sure that you like this one. Let's say I call it demo checkout. Just click on done, and once you click on done, it will be added, or you can say listed. And once it is done, you will see this option like checkout page. So just click on it, and also click on it. So scroll down and you can see like this option called edit template. And if you scroll down, this is the option add new field. Now I don't have the pro version of funnel kit, so make sure that you have the pro account, and after that you just need to click on add new field, and after that you will be able to do it. As you can see, upgrade to pro. So make sure that you have pro account, and after that you will be able to add custom field or new field inside this checkout section. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.